This is how I got through my day with just one device, the Huawei MatePad 11.5 2025. Waking up, the first thing to do is to plan my day using the Huawei Notes. Sobrang easy mag-organize kasi pwede mag-import ng image, ng recording, ng text, and even PDF files to highlight my important stuff. Pati yung material market, ang dami niyang stickers, as well as yung mga note templates just to beautify my notes. And I love using the Huawei M Pencil kasi zero lag, zero latency, so giving you a really good na handwriting experience. And kinabit ko tong keyboard and I head out just like this. Ganito lang. It's very lightweight, para isang maliit na bottle ng mineral water lang. And this is all I need for my work and for my play. And pag chill time sa hapon, pupunta ako ng coffee shop just to chill down and to finish my PowerPoint using the WPS Office. Parang PC lang yung gamit ko. Yung talagang pinakagusto ko sa kanya dito is yung kanang paper matte display. Kahit under the direct sunlight, no glare, no reflection, it's very easy on my eyes. Hindi ko na kailangang maghanap ng different angles just to avoid the glare. And yung battery, it can last me through a whole day without even charging. And pagtapos ako magtrabaho, I just chill and watch YouTube using its 4 loudspeakers. All of this for just half the price of an iPad. Imagine. This isn't just a ordinary tablet. It's my work. Lahat ng trabaho ko nandito na. And guess what? Meron siyang upcoming ng big sale. Itong 9.9. Itong Huawei MatePad 11.5 2025 will be on sale for 21,999. And it comes together with the free keyboard and a free M Pencil or a free Huawei na Bluetooth mouse. Depende sa kanyang promotion kasi very limited lang itong M Pencil. Plus, you can also get a 500 voucher na free. So bago pa kayo maubusan, if I were you, check out nyo na sa aking Yellow Basket.